Tuesday, September 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Wanted to get up a quick edition of the video this morning. We have some severe weather issues to contend with, so my time a little limited here, but I wanted to get something out there to you. First of all, let's look at the storm reports from yesterday. Several tornado reports across the region. Pretty much every thunderstorm is rotating. And the overall environmental setup today is pretty similar overall. We do have a slight risk designation out for much of the region, and as I'm cutting this video, there has just been the new tornado watch issue that covers the Triad, Triangle regions, the easternmost parts of the Charlotte Metro down toward Myrtle Beach and Wilmington too. Some of the model data here. This is a look at the SPC WRF model. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon, showing some pretty mean thunderstorms moving through parts of North Carolina. And there's already a lot of shower activity developing out ahead of that. And any of these thunderstorms that develop again could begin to rotate, and that's going to be something we have to closely monitor here this morning and right on through this afternoon too. There's the broad perspective. This is all associated with the remnants of Lee, which is centered right about there. You have a frontal boundary just like that. You have another frontal boundary trailing down from it, and there's just a lot of helicity, a lot of wind energy available for the thunderstorms to work with. There's been a lot of rain. The yellow shading here on this map, that's where there's been at least 3 inches. And of course, you get some huge amounts down into the Tennessee Valley, the Deep South, the Lower Mississippi Valley, 6 to 10 inches in a lot of spots down that way. Big flooding problems continuing down in that direction. We have a flood watch in effect for much of our region. Any additional heavy rains will probably cause some flooding issues today. And we're kind of the remaining bubble of warmer air here. Kind of interesting. We're holding on to the warmth here due to the southerly flow ahead of that low, but a lot of cool air behind this system. I even have some low 50s well down into central Mississippi this morning. There's the upper air chart. Upper level energy is combined with the remnants of Lee. You have a potent upper level system sitting over the Tennessee Valley today. That only slowly lifts north tomorrow. That's Katia out in the Atlantic Ocean, and it looks like Katia will make that right-hand turn before impacting the U.S. And as we get on out, I'm going to show you this off the European Sunday morning, and then Monday morning, it develops a little disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico that brings some showers and storms up our way. That is a possibility late Sunday into Monday. All right, here's the modeling today. The continued opportunity for showers and thunderstorms. Some storms will be severe. The tornado potential is there. The damaging wind potential is there today. But the zone of showers and storms should shift slowly eastward tomorrow. Still a few of them left around tomorrow, but that zone begins to shift off to the east. As we get on into, Thursday, I'm going to go with the dry forecast for a whole lot of the Piedmont, especially the Triad and Charlotte zones Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then thereafter the GFS doesn't have a whole lot around Sunday and then Monday, but it'll depend on what comes from the Gulf of Mexico. This is finally out there to Tuesday of next week. Another cold front approaches. We might have a really nice air mass try to shove in here by the second half of next week. We'll see. All right, that's Katia. Katia is a major hurricane. A new disturbance is in the eastern part of the Atlantic Ocean, looking pretty healthy. That'll become our next system most likely over the next couple of days. There is Katia, not as healthy now as it was 12 hours or so ago, but it is still intense looking. But like I mentioned, Katia is going to make that north and then northeast turn before impacting the United States. The disturbance in the eastern part of the Atlantic Ocean, there you go. That's going to be one to watch. That could be trouble down the road here toward the end of next week. We'll see. All right, that is it here for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.